things that I can do now that I did not have opportunities before. I serve on commissions that deal with, and on committees that deal with how the law is reformed and what the law is. And I do judicial education here in California for judges about, and I've done 2 podcasts, and I've been on a video panel about gender identity and transgender and non-binary people issues, name changes, all sorts of things relating to the trans community. And these are really wonderful opportunities that I might not have been afforded otherwise. And and I did not even know, I had no idea when I went into this profession how in demand I would be for things outside of work that were still somehow related to what I care about, and that I can be a role model. And I think that James knows probably better than many people how much of an influence I can be on other people because you've seen firsthand that the impact that I had on somebody else that I didn't even know. Did you want to share anything about that, by the way? Talking about?
Well, yeah. I mean, I can say our law clerk with Burris and with me, it's been a big deal, a very big deal for.
I went into James's law offices, and there's a picture of me, in the office because the law clerk had a picture of me up, and I'm like, and she showed me this, and I cried because you don't know that you have this impact on people. You don't know that people can be. It's very often, especially when you're in the day-to-day grind of whatever it is that you do, you don't realize how much of an impact you have on other people. And so there are people who look to see people like themselves, see representation, and not just for trans people, but you can be that kind of person in a million different ways. And it's really, really, I think, gratifying. And I mean, I have a friend now. I do a lot of mentoring of young trans law students because I didn't have that available to me. And so I try to be available for them when they want support or help or input. And I mean, I'm amazed. I talked to people who said that they finally realized they could become lawyers because they heard about me.